Max, come here, buddy. Hey, it's Max. It's a Max. It's a Max. And he's gonna lick my face. See, here's Alex, which is this brown and white dog with the weird stripes going on with the fur. And then Sophie, the big old hound dog. Yes, it's a hound dog. Max. Max. Let's go, boy. Here's him. Max! 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 Max, what are you doing? What are you sniffing the ground for? Hey, quit being a goofball. It's a goofball. It's a goofball. Max, what are you doing? Come here, boy. That's a good boy, huh? He's a good boy. He's a good boy, huh? Arrow, what are you doing trying to get out the gate? Arrow trying to get out the gate, y'all. Arrow, what are you doing? You trying to get out the gate? Why are you... What are you doing, dog? Are you trying to get out the gate? Are you trying to get out the gate, Arrow? Was you trying to get out the gate? And that black and brown one's Lucy. That all brown one's just Arrow. Anyways, I got bored. Totally got bored. So I made a video about dogs. Well, not about dogs. Just showing y'all random dogs. Yeah, got bored. Totally bored. Totally bored. Yeah. And there goes Max again. Isn't that right, Max? Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Whoopee! That one in the cage over there is Filbert. I should have let him in. Damn it, I forgot to let him back in the house. You ready to go back in the house, dog? Actually, I'll get you back in the house later, right? Alex! 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 Max! Sophie! Cashew? Whoopee! Aye, whoopee! There's my headphones in my pocket, dumb dog. You can't just jump on people like that. Well, not dumb dog, but troublemaker dog. Max! Can I have that bone? Can I have that bone? Can I have that bone? Let me have the bone. You ain't playing tug of war. Bone? Bone? Max going after that bone. He going after that bone like it's a ball. And he got it again. Max! Can I see this? Alright. Alright. You want the bone, right? You want the bone? Score. Well, that concludes this video.